1, 2, 3.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of 5D Food.
We're cooking up oysters again because we just harvested them and they're delicious, and we want to give you more ways to cook them. They are high in protein, all right? 30% dry weight protein. So we're going to use these kind of like their meat, right? Because we're going to make Oyster MycNuggets. That's right.
Reclaiming a childhood favorite.
MycNuggets.
MycNuggets.
First step.
Egg batter. This is just 4 eggs with a splash of water. 2, your flour. And this is a 1.5 cups, a mix of chuno, which is arrowroot, and coconut flour. You can use any kind of flour.
We like to avoid the gluten. We like to avoid the grains. So we usually go with the root flour. We usually actually do yucca flour and coconut.
This is cool because this is arrowroot that's grown here and coconut that is locally produced here. Pinch of salt. Take your oysters, break them up, dip them in. You want the whole thing covered in egg. Yeah, exactly, Osiris. A lot of ghee is the ticket to delicious MycNuggets. Here we go. Oh, yes. So good. Boom, boom, boom. It's so easy to cook the MycNuggets for your family. Okay.
So monitor close.
Oh my
Boom.
God, they're perfect. Look at that golden situation.
This is perfect.
Oh yes. Oh yes. This is gonna be yums.
It is so easy to let this go too far. You're looking for that brown,
Not black.
not black. That's the biggest part of this whole thing, is monitor and cook slow and don't get carried away or distracted.
Okay, I think these are ready, babe.
Boom, look at this deliciousness.
Careful, they're very hot.
I'm going to eat the little one.
You want this one?
Make it easy, eat your heart out.
Baby's awake. Hope you have success. Thanks, let us know.
We made a sauce.
We did a thing.
We did something. Whoa! What were the 3 dipping flavors? Barbecue,
Honey mustard.
honey mustard, or honey? It was honey, just straight honey. And then honey mustard. Barbecue, honey, and honey mustard.
Yeah, and then
Well-
we have like ketchup.
Yeah.